Just 1 week after the traditional ruler of Ikuru town, that and they talk about King Aaron, after they set and free my people, another casala don burst. They don't release video now with reasons why the royal father was kidnapped. Omo, if una see this man, true, this life, humble yourself. Because today you go find yourself up, tomorrow you don't dig ground. Person will never imagine say you go sit down for ground before if una see am. 2 armed men now they sit down for her, they point AK-47 for him head. This one they inside forest. Monarch, now monarch, he sit down for ground and they read the list, and according to their youth, because they say they don't tire. They don't tire, they need jobs, no peace, and it be like say down for their community, all the youths they against each other. So they say they need peace. Now the reason why they kidnap this man, they say their politicians say no, they try, say they know they happy because now they find jobs. And meanwhile, for this thing where they talk about, they have oil wells, and this one where they talk about 5 oil companies. Yet they know they employ their youth. They know so now the reason why they kidnap this man because they want peace and they want employment. So I beg for now we no know wetin dey happen right now. For Ikuru town, I don't bring a corner aside. Join me, make we watch the video.
The youths of Andoni are very unhappy with the chiefs and elders and the politicians for this misdemeanor. And also the inability of the elders above mentioned for providing employment for youth. And whereas we have oil wells in Andoni being operated by companies just like Amni, Totafina Elf, Green Energy International, and Lake Oil and Gas Joint Venture, and so on. It is also the desire of Andoni youths that government amenities should be distributed equally to all the sections of Andoni LGA without bias. The youths are also insisting on the avoidance of indiscriminate arrest of Andoni youths and the unfortunate killings by government and chiefs of Andoni. The youths are saying with a sense of urgency that the chiefs should handle the matter with dispatch. Hence, there will be killings, or there will be killing of chiefs and politicians in Andoni local government area.
Now this kind of thing they happen, when you see children they misbehave, and they do like say no be your business. They are not my children. They are not my children. Now like that. Now why this thing they happen? You go they see situation when you feel correct, but you no agree correct am. They go end up they kill you. They go even injure yourself. Now they una eye go open. I'm not just understand. Bia all these traditional rulers, politicians, chiefs, and boba. Because why is it that una no fit just put una self for people's shoes sometimes? Youth they fight. Some of them say don't start they kill themselves, but they get traditional rulers for that town. Yes, nobody even bother to raise an alarm or try and make peace. Everybody they mind in business. But if they come attack una now, una go call a rebellion. They go say they be hoodlums. But now, wahala dey una no fit say okay, me would find way to settle this thing. And now some of una they come outside, they kidnap. It's very wrong. I beg, I know they support kidnapping, but this one I know they call her kidnapping. I know they call this one kidnapping because all of us now we know the difference between violence and people looking for peace. These people are looking for peace, and we know see for this our country by now I no even expect some kind things. Who won't listen to them? They don't go meet Baba no here. They meet chief no here. They meet traditional rulers. They say nobody answer them. They say they want peace. The youths are fighting each other. So may the traditional ruler, be the chief, may he bring them together and talk so that the matter will finish. They say nobody answer them. Now the only solution, this is the only way with this thing, they go answer them. Now why they do them? I bet kudos to now, because now, see, they demand for better life. This one not be kidnapping matter. They are demanding for better life. And at least, no, compare these ones. What of the ones where they kidnap for their own selfish reasons? they go kidnap person just for money, they go squander the money. But at least this one they kidnap because una no just dey understand some kind things. Now why are they shocked when some people they open mouth, they tell me say man Aproko, this is kidnapping, this is this one. I support them. Yes, I support them. Why you no go employ youth over 5 oil companies? No be say the town na one big town like that. You no fit employ youth. Later now if they go outside now come they commit crimes, so now go to say they are criminals. Now they beg una for job, una no fit give them job. They no kill anybody. They did not kill anybody. They are just tired. These are just tired youths that need, in fact, they demand for. See, may nobody just try am. No just come outside now come they tell me many things. You understand? Because these ones are not they see the crime where these people don't commit. Some of these traditional rulers and chiefs and this one, they very greedy. Una never see one of them. Now why una come outside they talk anyhow? They are very greedy. They feel even see how you they die. Nobody even know. Pure example. Una politicians. What did they do? How many help they don't help una? Even with the things they get resources, they get the connections. How many help they don't help youths? So make una think. You understand? Now why I bring this thing outside because you don't cause many confusion. Some people say they are right. Some people say they are wrong. I beg. Their demands are reasonable demands. They need peace and they need employment. And nobody go answer them if they go normal level like, sir, please, so we've come to see you. We want this one. They say they don't go many times. So waiting be the outcome. Not only like this now, if you answer now. So as this one don't read there, as the monarch don't read the list now, we dey wait. We dey wait for the outcome. And now for year, una go hear am. Whether they give the Ikuru town youths, whether they give them employment or whether they settle their fight or anyhow. Now for year, una go still hear am. Now why una need subscribe so that you no go miss interesting matters like this one. Make sure say you share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen. And why not drop those comments for that comment section rolling and I will reply on one by one as usual. Stay tuned for our next story.